Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. You know, at this channel, we're a group of law abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law. Yes. And we at this channel, we are about saving lives, not, taking life. You understand? Because you take a life, life is very precious, so we don't believe in that. We support liberty. You understand? Yeah, we are not Rasta or anything like that. We just believe in a certain things. We don't wear locks or anything. So some people say, boy, we sound like we're a Rasta. Yeah, if we sound like Rasta, I just saw it go, you understand? But we know that fighting crime in Jamaica, with all hands on deck, we have to use various tactics and methods. Things that work in the 80s cannot work in the 2000s. We can't dirt all the youths. Yeah, man, we can't dirt all of them. Because these youths, they don't care, they feel like whenever they're they have lost their 3 points, they feel like, yeah, it's a victory for them because people been talking all kind of things about them, in the community, how great they are. I don't know what kind of greatness when you dirt other people. How is that great? You understand? So we don't support that kind of liberty. So we want, we want to save some lives. Let's save some minds with the best books for the black minds. These books are written by one of the best black minds ever. Yeah, man, and we haven't seen anything that even remotely close to our late national hero and worldwide icon, the late Marcus Garvey. And let me tell you this, people. It's one of the main reasons why these bossy slaves in Jamaica do not let your kids learn about Marcus Garvey. Because look, you see, if they learn about Marcus Garvey, none of these politicians cannot control them, because their mindset will be totally different, independent. And if you want to even call it rebellious, yeah, rebellious in the right way, because they'll be defending Jamaica. You understand? And their brothers and sisters, you know, who Marcus Garvey has left a wealth of knowledge in books for black people to take charge of ourselves and carve out our destiny by using the minds to think. Over the past week, it has been one of the best programs ever by bringing in the voice of those who want to see a better Jamaica. Yeah, man, like, the ex-water. Yeah, we talk to a woman, because, hey, look here, that's not you want to believe, You see, the women are the backbone of the community. The mothers in the ghetto, in the garrisons, in the countries, rural Jamaica. The mothers play a vital role in the lives of these youths. Yes, and without the mothers' participation and supporting these guys, firing guns, you won't have, if the mother not supporting them know that them have to abandon it. Or them know at the end of the day, they are on their own. And the youth that we talk to in prison, that sent his voice note to this channel saying that he's innocent. Yes. And maybe he thought that boy won't play it. But look, we are here for saving lives, saving minds, to change the trajectory of the people's mind in Jamaica. Because we can't kill off all like gunmen, I was a youth, gunmen have been in Jamaica. And the only thing that I can say is that they have been growing. So it's not like these people, you know, it's diminishing. No, sir, they keep growing. I don't know what is so nice about this lifestyle that people gravitate to it. Because I know a man who's a gunman, I'm not have him gun. Him not supposed to sit down and feel comfortable at no time. And for be a gunman, you must can run fast, because into your friend or into your enemy, them want catch you, you have to run like thief if you don't have your gun. So I don't know how is that an appealing career. And the first important thing to be a gunman, you have to be dishonest, to be a criminal. So I don't know how a man gravitate to that lifestyle, or will reach that point. But we know who are responsible for this. And I know who are the people who are responsible for importing this culture into my community of Jonestown. Yeah, man. So when I talk, yeah, boy, you're a labor. Yeah, man, you can't talk all you want to talk, He who feels it knows it. They're the one that brought the guns into Jonestown, the PMP LGBTQ plus party. Nobody tell me about what about. I am not from Rima or Tivoli. I can't tell you nothing what happened inside here unless somebody who's from Rima and Tivoli tell me. Because I have never lived in a Rima or Tivoli. A Jonestown I born. A Jonestown I raised. And it's Jonestown after a while after I leave Jonestown because these same people will bring guns in my community. You understand? And that's where most youths, all them want to do is this gun and for kill people and in idea them feel saying and them dead and people attack things about them. All these are stupidity in the community where them attack glowing things about a man, about him a shot and it's a kind of madness. We want a better Jamaica for our youths and to change the trajectory from them because there are a lot of great minds even in our prisons. You can believe that there are men in our prisons in Jamaica who are cooking food in juice boxes. Yes, man. We have men, young men in prison. Juice boxes juice box which is made out of paper and lined with plastic. All these men figure out how to do things like this. And these talents are being wasted and could have created an avenue for growth for the country and them too. Crime is a problem that has been imported to us as a people by wicked and selfish men whose goal was to control the people's mind and to turn their neighbors into enemies so that they could kill each other, so that these same men could stay in power and by any means necessary. So you see, with this book, these books that you are seeing on the on the thumbnail and even your LCD, these books are to change minds. Yes. And we're gonna give you some quotes from the great Marcus Garvey. He say a people without knowledge of their history, origin, and culture is like a tree without a root. Let me repeat that. Because I'm gonna read three quotes to you, from Marcus Garvey. The first one says, a people without the knowledge of their history, origin, and culture is like a tree without roots. So so if the tree have no roots, a tree can't grow in it because that's dead. And that is what happened to our people in Jamaica. They're dead, walking deads. So that's why when I'm educating these people and telling them, oh, the gun culture started and the killing of people and who supported it, you could eat at them. Boy, you're a liberator and this and that. This is what Marcus Garvey has been telling us. A people without knowledge of their history, origin, and culture is like a tree without a root. That is what we want for change. We want for change what did happen already because it's still a go on right now. And the only way we can't kill ourselves, we can't kill ourselves outside with tough crime and prison sentence because it's gonna be just repetitive. We want for change. We don't want to kill more youth and youth to kill each other and then youth to go to prison. We don't want that. We want a peaceful society. So that's why we want to change the minds of the youth them. So here's the next quote by Marcus Garvey. I know some most of you not even even know all these things. Because this is something me print, and put on the door from me live from military base, You understand? For my kids them before them venture off, Yeah man, that's how them sip on up on the door them. This. If you have no confidence in yourself, you are twice defeated in the race of life. But with confidence, you have won even before you started. But I'll just give you a little piece side. So you listen that. If you have no confidence in yourself, you are twice defeated in the race of life. But with confidence, you have won even before you started. And here, I listen to this quote, The black skin is not a badge of shame, but rather a glorious symbol of national greatness. So you see when Marcus Garvey I tell the black people them that, what do you think? I tell the world, say black people come from greatness. A black people build the pyramid, it's our ancestors build the pyramids in Egypt. Don't look at the people who live in Egypt right now. Those people they're infiltrators. These are people who commit genocides against our people and steal their lands. Egypt is not an Arab. Arab are not from Africa. It's our ancestor, black people. But we still love them same here. But we just say it's because all of these things, them hide from you. And the reason why they hide it from you, because if I know how great you are, you think you're going to take up no gun and you want your lifespan and you want your lifespan. You look say, boy, me are 18 by 25 there, but me could have dead there. You understand? Who want to live like that? I put an average lifespan upon your life. You're supposed to live till they're old and dead. So that's why you don't want this kind of culture. Them deliberately do this, for destroy you. So you see, once you guys get these books, the ball game change because you get the power to control your life now. No guy can't tell in your community what to do and how to do things because you can't think. So let me remind you guys again for the umpteenth time that I am not Sir P behind Politics Watch. Yeah, man, I am not Sir P behind Politics Watch. And it has been said in certain quarters by corrupt and thieving police officers that I am behind Sir P's channel. Let me state this categorically. I am not Sir P. I am Chris Porter, who is not talking through any voice modulator, and I am not anonymous or a phantom. If you scroll through my channel, you will see that I am vlogging in one of my SUVs. I don't have to build a persona because I have been on the battlefield, step on my enemies face to face. And I'm a real man, I'm not a phantom. Let Sir P be Sir P and me is Chris Porter. I am not a phantom. And I know why some police officer want me to out Sir P because of what he's doing. Although I have the information on the continent where the person is located, I am not going to release the information to the public. So keep trying. So all of you, the thieving police officers, are trying to cause a distraction and confusion. It won't work. Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel to my loyal subscribers and viewers. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law, respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Ethical Jamaicans in Jamaica and the diaspora, as they want their Jamaica back from the parasites. The video is not your typical video. It is about the loyal viewers and subscribers at this channel who are a part of the Jamaica Young Police channel and want to cause changes into the hearts, minds, and souls of the young Jamaicans. All of us will agree that crime is one of the biggest problems in Jamaica, all over the island, and it is exported to other parts of the world in various forms by gangs from Jamaica, like the Gullymen Posse from East Kingston and the Shower Posse from Tivoli Gardens and other areas in Jamaica. As you would know, Chris Porter, the orator at this channel, the Jamaica Young Police channel, has served over 17 years in the Jamaican Constabulary Force since I was a teenager at various parishes in Jamaica, and then one of the most crab up places in the Kingston metropolitan area, known as the Hunsby Police Area. It is one of the places that most police officers are afraid to work because of the kind of criminals and gunmen that this division had produced. Then in those days when I was a detective, I am from the belly of the beast, Jonestown, Kingston 12. And throughout the years, the number of gunmen the security force have killed over the years is astounding. And the number of citizens that these gunmen have killed, man, it's alarming and mind-boggling. Oh, black people hate themselves so much. Only God he knows. And the cycle of the killers gunned out in youths only keep growing exponentially since the Indicom Act, which have emboldened these youths who think that when they are killed by gunmen, their rival, their friends, their enemies, or the security force, Indicom can bring them back. What's a set of idiots, but it's their minds, once your mind is warped, that's what happened. I am an avid reader and I have read many books. And of all the books that I have read as a man, the best book that I have read so far that empowers, strengthens, and enrich the black mind is the philosophy and opinion of Marcus Garvey, which should be taught in every school in Jamaica and anywhere black people are living and suffering, because this book, which is one of them, is the best books for our black minds. It will transform even our women's mind and make them love themselves, improve their self-esteem, and become better women. That will be natural to men who will love them for who they are, as they are black people and not Europeans or Indians. Self-love, self-esteem, and empowerment are the greatest any human being, the greatest trait any human can have upstairs in their mind. Without that, you are like an empty vessel without a rudder, of having no direction. Yes, those of you who want to save the youths of these communities from the destructive behavior of abnormality, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel are asking you to pitch in and donate to this worthy cause, as I am going to put my money to buy some of these books and send them to Jamaica to one person who's going to issue them to these depressed communities. Also, my place of birth, Jonestown, Kingston 12, Maya Street, 30 Pencil Street, 51 Pence Street, Scarface Pathway, Concrete Jungle, and other communities in Jamaica, so that we can change the minds of these youth, because killing them is not the answer, because some of them brain are the farm. And it is as a result of lacking love from their parents, especially mothers. Yes, some of these mothers are torturer, and they're very destructive to their children because the father have left them for various reasons, and they are taking out their frustration on these youths, thus helping to destroy their minds. What I am saying to you is facts and not hyperbole. You ever hear in time how some woman when them a cuss all them son, and I tell them how them ugly like them pa. Like say I never them whoop up them leg and sleep with the pa and get the son, our sons, our daughter, and cuss them all them pa ugly and worthless. And them see one sleep with the man and get the children them. And them torture the kids them and cuss them frustrated, and them take it out upon the kids them, and they are the problem. You understand? They are the ones who are the problem. You understand? So we just all about to change mind and save lives. You know, hey, look, we can't kill ourselves outright, We cannot kill ourselves outright. We know that some of them, boy, them have to get dirt, because if somebody I try to take for kill one of our police or our soldier, yeah, man, them have to defend themselves. You understand? And it just this natural laws of nature. You understand? You know, we're just all about to change the minds of these youth, because killing them is not the answer. Because some of them bring out the farm. And as a result of lacking love from their parents, especially the mothers, them, may I tell them, man, them, some of them terrible. So on the screen, you will see the PayPal link to donate to this noble cause. We can start here to reach somewhere. The sky is the limit. Black can be proud of themselves. Yeah, black people can be proud of themselves for being black and loving each other, as the sky is the limit. Yeah, man, love your brothers, your sisters, and stop seeing the other as an enemy, because this is not normal thinking or treatment of each other's, as it goes against the laws of nature. And a law is a universal, is universal if it states that some conditions so far are unknown, invariably are found together with certain other conditions. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel are all about saving lives, not taking lives. And this endeavor is of such, and we want your help, you, the audience, for those who are buying and selling guns to kill others in Jamaica. Yeah, brother G. Yeah, man, Christopher Ebert, who's in Atlanta, Georgia right now. Yeah, yeah, buy a gun and a send guy to Jamaica. You in a police, you get a break, you go to Canada, you kill people in a jail, get bail, then you go back to jail, you understand, and use a next name and all them things there. And then you get deported to Jamaica, the police them at Jamaica give you a clean fingerprint record, and you come to America, and before you come to America and be a better citizen, you come here now, and you buy a gun and a send guy a Cockburn pen at York Avenue to kill people. One, for kill people. So when you kill somebody, you get their life. Them thing they will want for rid the community of people like you. Because you're a foreign, you drive truck and you set by gun for sale. You're hustling and then you use the proceeds and you buy guns in Jamaica. And for what? You can't control Cockburn pen. You got dead left Cockburn pen because Cockburn pen is there before you. All of these fools who think them can control people, me are the man. But you still in time you walk, you fear afraid if somebody will kill you. What kind of life that? Man, I don't need to cut out the thing, man. The best thing you can do for the youth in Jamaica is buy these books that you see to transform lives, minds, and community. Eventually, it will be a win-win situation for everyone, as the most important thing is these youths will be able to think differently and stop behaving schizophrenic and be role models for others who are positive in their thinking and action. When you donate, please post the money amounts you donated along with the receipt in the comment sections of the video to show you are about the saving and changing lives. We want to show the youths that there is a better way out of this madness of killing each other. Because every time you kill another black person, you are killing yourself for, yeah, man, you are kill your brothers, you are kill your sister, your cousin, your mother, your father. Black people, if they had taught us the history, of our people in Jamaica without you paying for it, they would know that they are the most powerful and the most peaceful people on earth. And you are going to learn a lot by reading these books, including Marcus Garvey said. These books and books will transform minds, heart, and soul. If this is the first time on the channel, please subscribe, click on the bell, and select all, so that whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel release a video, you'll be the first person to get the same. Like the video, yes, like the video, share the video, and all comments below. Yes, man. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.